Hello, this is Michael from Winteq, and today I will be introducing our record management system software. This is a software that keeps records of people basically in an organization. And people could be, for example, students in a school, it could be patients in a clinic. Um, and so on. Those are a couple of good examples, I guess. So after you log into the system, it brings you to the first screen, which is basically person. So every record that you click at, um, uh, this is a master record for this person. And then you see underneath it, there is the log records, there's socioeconomic records, biography, medications, family members, legal documents, and what have you. Um, so as you uh, double click, for example, at that one uh, person, it has the master record information as names and social security and you know, all the information, normal information for the person. And then, of course, every record down below here in these screens, as far as laws, medications, and what have you, corresponds as you click at each record here. It down below it changes because those records are associated with that person. Um, Up here under administration, there's additional functionality here, like to have, if there's any sponsors for the organization, you can keep records of those. If there's any donations to the organization, you could keep records of those. The medications itself, think of it as a small pharmacy that keeps record of all the medications available in the pharmacy and how it's being used. The logs are basically all the various logs tied to a particular person. There's a users screen which allows you to set up users to access the system as an administrator, and then the codes are codes that are used with throughout the system. Again, this is a system administration function. Under school is you have uh, records associated with the teachers and their information and what have you. Then there's classes, which then again, classes that are set up in the system, or for example, in whatever grade or what have you in a school environment. And the students, of course, would be the the records associated with the school records of that particular student. So that's a quick summary of all the functionality reports here. I don't have a lot other than, for example, for that pharmacy example, expired medications. And so basically clicking on that is going to produce a report that then shows you what that particular report is intended for and intended for use for. So that summarizes that system. And so again, this record management system can be used for environments like school. It does have a specific functionality regarding schools, or it could be simply like a clinic or what have you, where there are people and patients and what have you, and then there's records associated with that, you know, as far as medication and other information and logs and what have you. So hopefully that describes a quick introduction, describes what the system does, and that is helpful for knowing what this software is. Thank you.